Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful and attractive infographics. So infographics is a very important in different fields. So this is a very important skill to sell online on different marketplaces. You can easily sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms like Fiverr. So first of all we will go to Fiverr and check is there is a demand for this skill or not. So let's go to Fiverr. I open fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com is a one of the top freelancing platform where you can sell your services online. So I type here infographics. So it show me that there are 6941 services available. That's mean that there are 6941 freelancers available which are giving this service. So let's analyze the gig. So first of all I will open this gig. I will do professional infographic design or business illustration, and 585 orders done. And so I open this gig, and let's see what's he is providing. So first of all we will change the language, currency. So uh, the basic plan of this gig is for $10, and amazing infographic design, no illustration, max 7 data points. And after that there is standard package. In standard plan it provide professional custom icon based infographic design and maximum 15 data points. And after that premium package, he charged $85, and in which he provide extremely professional custom illustration infographics design, max 25 data points. So that's good. And you can also check these reviews, and this is a good service to sell. So you can analyze his gig and make your gig according to it. So that's it for Fiverr part, and we will go to Canva, and let's see how we can create a beautiful infographics. So I am going on Canva home, and after that you can search on search tab infographic, or you can search here. And I easily select this infographics, and it will pop up in new window, and it will provide me different templates. So we can easily create a new from scratch, or we can use the templates and easily customize the templates and make a beautiful infographics. So let's get started. It is loading. It's take some time to load. It basically depend on your internet speed. So it is loaded, and we will select any of the template. So I like this one. Yes, this is good. So let's suppose I want to create a um, Python. I want to create a Python roadmap, how to learn Python. So Python is a popular programming language. After the Canva course I will upload videos on Python, so stay tuned. And here I learn after that I customize this one. This is official website of Python, python.org. learn typing first, learn about variables and data types. After that, learn about function and loops. Learn OOP concepts. OOP is OOP stand for object oriented programming language. So this is a very important concept in programming. So after that, practice more and more. So this is a roadmap for to learn Python. So we present this roadmap into this beautiful infographics. So this is ready. So after that, we also change the website name like python.org, which is the official website of Python, and this is ready. So you can easily download by clicking this share button and download in format like JPG, PNG, but the PDF print is a recommended size, or you can recommended print, so you can easily download this button, and it is also suggested by Canva. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click the like button, share button, and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn the skill and earn money online. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.